Here I have UMIDIGI A9, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Google Backup feature on this device. So first of all, you have to open Settings, then you have to enter System section, go to the Backup, enable this Backup to Google Drive feature. What you'll have to do next is to add your Google account. Of course, you will need internet connection to add Google account. So here you have to just enter your email address or phone number. Tap Next. Then you have to enter your password. Tap Next. Next you have to agree with Google's Terms of Service and Privacy Policy. And at last you have to tap Accept here and then OK here. And after that your device will be ready to the backup. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.